Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to JH SOFTECH. In this session, let's discuss about the SAP Signavio for business process transformation, which happens to be a revolutionary concept. So let's start off with what exactly is SAP business process or transformation is all about. And even before we start, why exactly we do need business process management and transformation? What exactly are the different features of SAP Signavio introduction and key benefits? SAP Signavio process transformation suite capabilities. Why choose SAP Signavio process transformation suite? So these are the things that we're going to discuss. Okay, so before that, let's understand about what exactly is business process automation all about. Now, the business process management is a practice of discovering, analyzing, designing, modeling, monitoring, managing, and optimizing cross-functional processes to generate better businesses in any company's operational success. And why exactly is it important for us to go ahead with the business process management? So it is about managing a business in the most efficient and effective way possible. So it increases the quality of service, operational efficiency, and agility, regulatory compliances, and customer experiences as well, by establishing a common language in between the IT and the business in a fast and scalable manner. Now, what exactly are the new things that have been added into the business process management is that most of our SAP customers and leading organizations across all industries have built uncountable number of complex business processes. So, with increased pace of change, this complexity is likely to increase as business strive to deliver different products and service that should deliver great customer experiences. That's why a digital transformation is needed for business process management continuously and at a scale. So this will help to achieve better business processes through best practices and collaboration and happier customers and employees by prioritizing their experience throughout our process change. So SAP Signavio, what exactly is SAP Signavio? It's a cloud-based transformation suite that gives companies the ability to understand, improve, and transform all of their end-to-end business processes at a fast pace and at a scale across SAP and non-SAP solutions. Now, we basically can see here various options here: enable, execute, analyze, enhance, design, and then we have build, test, deploy, and run. And this cycle goes on until we are getting what we want. So we align across the organization. We do the model. We model, govern, share, and collaborate on processes and involve all stakeholders. So we reduce time to insight, discover, leverage your data to identify process improvements areas based on problems and inconsistencies in current business process management. So bring experience and process excellence together. So we contribute outside in and inside out experience to translate customers, suppliers, and employees experience to operational reality. So we increase the agility here and reduce time to action. So identify and execute improvement opportunities within the deliver configurations metrics and tailored recommendations. Now, if we look at this SAP Signavio business process transformation suite, the main capabilities are like the process explorer. We have something called the process explorer. Then we have the process analysis and mining. This is the process analyzing and mining. Then we have the process governance and automated execution here. And then we have process collaboration and value accelerators. So the value accelerators in the SAP Signavio are here. So these are the various tools that we have in the SAP Signavio if you look at a broader perspective. So in the SAP Signavio Process Explorer, the benefits are you get a gateway to access the explore value accelerators, accelerate time to value by applying pre-configured models and templates. We can challenge our process landscapes and find inspiration leveraging best practices processes inside the metrics. So we act confidently, avoid errors, and rework by adopting best practices and solutions that are proven. So if we talk about the business intelligence and business insights, this comes under the category of process analysis and mining, right? So if we talk about the SAP process analysis and mining, the key benefits are to gain visibility into the real process execution and process inefficiencies, get recommendations for improvements, pinpoint improvement potential and decide upon transformative changes, gain visibility into process paths that lead to cumbersome experiences. Now, then we have something called the process and journey modeling. And for in the process and journey modeling, we have two things here: the process manager and the journey modeler. And the benefits of this process manager and journey modeler would be to understand who does what, when and how within a process, identify the inputs and outputs of individual processes, standardize process practice, help ensure high quality of modeling standards, and educate our organization. Leverage the wisdom of the crowd and involve key stakeholders in the transformation process. Conform to our governance standards with process approval workflows. Visualize the journeys our customers, suppliers, and employees take the impact in our business process have on their experience. Understand how changes will impact process automates outcomes using process simulation. Then we have something called the process governance and automated execution. So the process governance and automated execution has in it the process automation and process governance. Now, the advantages of going ahead with the process governance and process build, the SAP build and SAP Signavio process governance is like to maintain organizational and regulatory compliance and all documented processes, get approvals from the key stakeholders on all document processes, maintain process relevance and maturity within regular processes. And then we have got the scale up we can scale up our workflows as our business grows. No code needed with the SAP build process automation. Then we have got something called the process collaboration we have. So the process collaboration in which we have the utilize published processes to inform and train employees on process execution. And then we have aligned with key stakeholders by sharing process changes and improvements, curate process related content for specific audiences such as functions and departments, and have full visibility on our entire process landscape, single source of truth for process knowledge. And why do we have to choose the business process or transformation suite? For the SAP Signavio process transformation suite helps us to translate customer, employee, and supplier experiences into operational realities faster. We reap the benefits of process improvements at scale and lower the operational cost of business processes. Run large scale IT transformations like SAP ERP, the rise with SAP offerings, and SAP S4 HANA. And we can confidently run SAP Signavio along with it and with speed up them. So we leverage pre-built automation tools and RPA, RPS. We use complete transformation framework, process analysis, mining, simulation, modeling, and collaboration all on the same solution suite. Going forward, we have something called SAP Signavio Journey Modeler, SAP Process Manager, Process Insights, and then we have Process Intelligence, Process Improvement, and Process Governance Collaborator. So we are going to discuss about all these things in detail in the coming sessions, and you can contact us for the full-fledged training that we have. But right now we are going to discuss an overview of it, like we can use. So what exactly is SAP Journey Modeler does? It captures documents, compare and simulate your business process management portfolio, design customer journeys. And what does this is something which is taken care by the journey modeler and the process manager. Now, coming to the concept of process intelligence, what exactly the process intelligence in SAP Signavio do? It embraces data-driven approach to discover, analyze, and mine our end-to-end processes. Then we have got something called process improvement, wherein we have the repair and enhance processes to improve effectiveness and efficiency and improve business user productivity. Now, the configure and operate, we have SAP Signavio process governance. SAP Signavio process governance collaborator will take care of the leveraging a human-centric workflow engine to execute tasks and enable our integrated governance. So we all are aware of the SAP workflow, but this is a alternative for that. Then we have got something called process insights that I was discussing, whether it is in ECC or in SAP S4HANA, locate and prioritize process improvements, improvement potential. That's what we have. Now we've got this process collaboration hub, which integrates with the process intelligence. So this all will be a part of it: the process intelligence, process insights, process automation, process governance, and journey modeler. All these are the part of the SAP process collaboration hub. So these are the overall concepts that we have seen at the very beginning. Like we have got this process analysis and mining, workflow and automation execution, and process and journey modeling. So we have got analyze, monitor, rollout, improve, and design and simulate. These are the various concepts that we have. And SAP Signavio Process Explorer is the entire outside thing that we were actually discussing about. So this is, we have got the SAP Signavio Process Explorer, we have got design and simulate, process and journey modeling, and in this all again we have the process collaboration hub, which integrates all of this, like various options that we have in SAP Signavio. Now in the coming sessions we are going to do a lot of hands-on sessions at the SAP Signavio. How to do that and how do we do the hands-on in SAP, I'm definitely going to come back with that. But if you want a customized and a specific sessions, whether it might be individual or corporate sessions, you can just contact us. Subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you. Have a great day.